Welcome to Python for Kids Fundamentals. You might be thinking, do kids even need to learn coding anymore? After all, AI can write code for us. Well, that's a great question. The truth is, learning coding today isn't about becoming a programmer. It's about learning how to communicate with AI, how to think computationally, and how to break down problems logically. These are skills that will help your child succeed in any field, not just in tech. Python is a perfect tool for this. It's simple, readable, and super versatile, making it great for beginners. In this course, we will learn how to use variables and data types, how to manipulate strings and text, how to take input from users and make interactive programs, how to use operators and calculations, and finally, we will work on many projects to bring everything together. By the end of this course, your child will be able to write simple Python programs on their own, try out ideas, and have fun solving small problems with code. This is the start of learning computational thinking. See you soon!